In this video, you will learn how to dispute a transaction on Chime and win. First, review the transaction. Make sure the charge is unauthorized, incorrect, or a duplicate charge. Gather evidence such as a screenshot, receipts, emails, or messages showing the issue. Next, open the Chime app. Go to the Move Money or Settings tab and tap on Support or Help. Find the transaction. Navigate to the transaction that you want to dispute under the Activities tab. Then, tap it and hit Report an issue or dispute this transaction. Submit your dispute. Select the region such as unauthorized or service not received or wrong amount. Then, upload your supporting document if it is available. Clearly explain what happened in your own words. Chime will review your case. Chime will usually respond within 10 business days. If approved, this may improve your credit. Monitor your emails and the app. Keep an eye out on Chime's messages for any updates. Respond quickly if they request more information or a statement from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.